When Sudan's President Omar al-Bashir arrived in South Africa late on Saturday, he brought with him a political and legal storm. One of the issues being discussed at the African Union summit he's attending is conflict resolution. Now the host nation faces the embarrassment of a legal challenge which could see Bashir sent to The Hague to face war crimes charges. Civil society organizations have now taken the South African government to court to ensure the country upholds its obligations to the International Criminal Court. A judge has told Bashir he can't leave until the case is resolved. The Sudanese are furious.
This court's decision does not have legal value. South Africa issued in the Public Gazette 10 days ago the decision of the African Union that African countries are not bound to any decision by the court. This was in the Public Gazette of South Africa 10 days ago. It seems that the court does not know about this, which is bad, or it does know, and this is worse. But this is a matter to be assessed by law.
It's left the South African government in a very difficult position. Pretoria has an agreement with the AU that sitting heads of state cannot be arrested. The question is, what happens now?
Who is it that can prevent al-Bashir from leaving South Africa? It's the immigration officials. It is he will have to be arrested and he will have to be put in custody. And all of those are not the court's responsibility. The court has made a decision which, according to the law, is quite correct, but it can't enforce its own decisions.
The International Criminal Court has asked South Africa to arrest Bashir. It accuses him of crimes against humanity and genocide in Darfur. And South Africa has signed up to the ICC. But many African nations believe the ICC is biased against its leaders, picking them out for prosecution. And that means the South African judge's decision on Monday on whether or not to arrest the man who has governed Sudan since 1989 will reverberate around Africa and the world. Famida Miller, Al Jazeera, Johannesburg, South Africa.